Hello, PC Guy 456 here today with another review. Today I have the Logitech K360 keyboard. I picked this up at my local Best Buy for about $30, and that was about maybe a year ago. This keyboard is a great keyboard. It's been working fine ever since I got it, no problems. Really the only thing I don't like about it is that, well, there was one problem, and these clips in the back broke off right here. Yeah, if I don't... Right there, that clip. So I got these clips from my local Radio Shack for like $3, and it works so much better. And also, on the back, the battery compartment, that's a little hard to take off. So on the batteries, that I'm going to have a little trouble opening that, but that's okay. It is a membrane keyboard, although it does have very tactile feedback. Here, I'll bring it closer to the camera so you could hear it. So it is very nice. It is sort of a chiclet style keyboard, but the keys, they are spaced apart far. Well, I can take one of these off. They're a little hard to take up. Oh, there we go. See. Oh, there it goes. But I just took off this key, and it's pretty thick, I guess. And then it's recessed down in here, and then snaps back in, and it sounds really nice. I can type pretty fast on this. I wouldn't consider myself a fast typer. Well, I can type about 80 words per minute on this, and that's pretty good. But if I had maybe a mechanical keyboard, say like the DOS keyboard, I could probably type a little bit faster, maybe a few words per minute faster. But this is a pretty good starter keyboard. I would recommend this just if you need a keyboard because yours broke or something happened to yours, like the keys stopped working. But I've had this for a year, and it's held up fine. I haven't spilled anything on it yet or done anything to it, really, except after the third-party key flip-up stand things. And it does have media control keys. It has fast forward, play, pause, rewind, volume up, volume down, mute. And what else is interesting about it is that it has a function key. So this keyboard is kind of like a laptop keyboard, where you can press function and then let's say F10, and that'll lock my computer, or function F11, and that'll put my computer to sleep, and so on and so forth. Function F12 is a calculator. Function F9 is an external display. I don't know what function F8 does, or 7, or 6, or 5. And then function F4 is to open up like iTunes or whatever your default music player is. And function F3 opens up the search bar on your start menu. And F2 is to open your email. And F1 goes to your home page, like if you have your home page set as Facebook or Twitter or whatever you want, I guess. But because the function key is there, they did take out the other Windows key, which is fine. It is a small keyboard. It's not. It doesn't have. Or they put the like the delete and other keys that would originally be like in here, and then the number pad would be like off the camera right now. So it's more like a laptop keyboard, which is nice because you don't have that extra space in between. So that's pretty nice, and it doesn't take up that much space. It also is a wireless keyboard, obviously, as you can see from here. And the batteries are supposedly to last 7 years or something like that. Or you don't have to replace them that often, I know that. And I haven't had to replace them yet, and it's been a year, about a year at least. And I did get this in the grass print thing, the grass skin, because I just liked it and figured it'd go with my laptop a little better. But yeah, it's a nice keyboard. So thank you for watching this review, and I'll see you later.